Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Google AdMob. So this is the crash course on Google AdMob. So for those of you that have not heard about Google AdMob before or do not know what Google AdMob is, we're going to take a brief look at Google AdMob. So Google AdMob is an advertising program by Google for mobile applications. Okay, for mobile applications. So let's go ahead and Google AdMob. Okay. So now it said AdMob is a mobile advertising subsidiary of Google, originally founded by Omar Hamal. The name AdMob is a portmanteau for advertising on mobile. It was incorporated on April 10, 2006, while Hamal was in business school at Wharton School. The company is based in Mountain View, California. Okay, so basically, on the crash course, on a simple term, if you want to run advertisement, or you want to monetize your app, your application that you have on Google Play Store, Samsung Play Store, any of the Play Store, and you want to monetize it, you want to display advert on it so that you can earn money, you need to join the Google AdMob program. Okay, because it's through the Google AdMob program that Google will display ads, will give ads to show on your website. So when people interact with those apps, you end up making money. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and create an AdMob account. So now if you have your app, the first thing you need to do is to get your app first running, develop your app, get it live on the Play Store, and it's running, it's working. And now you're going to come to Google AdMob and say, hey, Google AdMob, I want to run advertising on my app. I want to earn money. I want to monetize my app. So you're going to sign up for an AdMob account. Okay. So now let's go ahead and open the AdMob website here. So we have how to sign up and get started, what is AdMob, AdMob Advantage, games, and all that. So even games that you have, which on the Play Store, you can also monetize them. So you said earn more revenue with your apps. Okay. You work hard on your app. AdMob makes earning revenue easy with an in-app ads, actionable insight, and powerful, easy to use tools that grow your app business. Okay. So you see, smarter tech, more revenue, high performing ad. So now I don't need to go through the sign up process because I already have done that, have an account already. So if you don't have an account, you just click the sign up and fill the few details. But since I already have that, I'm not going to go through that process again. So here again, what is AdMob? Google AdMob makes it easy for developers to earn money from their mobile apps with high quality ads. AdMob maximizes the value of every impression by combining global advertiser demand, innovative ad format, and advanced app monetization technology. So you say, why show ads? Showing ads to app users allows you to create a sustainable source of revenue to help grow your business while you focus on building and developing quality apps. Advertisers get to reach new customers and users can discover relevant products and services while enjoying apps for free. So it's a win for everyone, developers, users, and advertisers. So he said how AdMob works. Ads are created and paid for by advertisers who want to promote their products or services to app users. Once you create space for ads in your app, AdMob works with advertisers who pay to show ads that are relevant to your users. Okay? So the Google Ad Network, ad mediation, hybrid revenue models, ad format, the AdMob ad. So you can go through all this to better understand the AdMob. So now I'm going to go to sign in because I already have account already, and that takes me to my AdMob dashboard. So this is my AdMob dashboard. Okay, so you can see total estimated revenue today so far, yesterday, this month so far, last month. Okay, so now this is where you see the performance of all your app. Then let's go to apps. So you click on apps here and you say view all apps. So now you can see all the apps that has been added, and you can add more app into your AdMob dashboard. So first, your app has to be live on the Play Store before you now come here to add the app for monetization. It's just like site. Before you apply for monetization on your site has to be live first. You have to set it up and have content on them before you apply. The same thing applies here. After setting up, building your app, and your app is approved on the Play Store, then you come here, you add the app to the program requesting Google. So they are going to review it. And when they review and see that the app meets their criteria and it's okay, it's good to go, you'll be approved. Then after then, you can now start displaying ads on your app. So since this is a crash course, I'm not going to make it long. I just wanted you to understand what AdMob is, how it is used, what it is used for, and all that. There is another video that shows you how to create ad unit and so on and so forth. So, guys, that is what Google AdMob is. And at this point, I'm going to come to the end of this short crash course on Google AdMob. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.